Thank you very much for joining me. I have iPhone XR on my desk and it is here for battery replacement. So let's go into the setting and see what's the battery percentage. As you can see, it says a service and is 77%, which means the battery performance must be very low. So let's take out the bottom screws first. One is this, another one is this. So those two are bottom screws. So let's put those are out. Here we go. So those screws are out. So let's take out the screen, and this time we have to be very careful because the screen is not broken. So we have to save the screen. So screen has adhesive tape all around, so be careful. Put the one soft knife corner a little bit up, you can detach the screen from the body. As you can see, there are oh, this is aftermarket screen. That's the reason I think this came out comparatively easy than the original. So let's disconnect the battery. Let's unscrew the battery from battery metal plate screws. So take out the battery metal and disconnect the battery. I need the rubbing alcohol to melt the screw glue down underneath the battery. So there are a couple of things. You can just take it out, or after putting the glue you can just push a little bit up and it will easily come out. You can remove the screen also, but I don't do that because I'm able to do like this way. You can see it's very easy and it's not that it will not take that much time. So that's the battery I got from my vendor. So let's take out from the box. It says iPhone XR battery. Here we go. It already has adhesive tape underneath that. You can see the double-sided tape, so I'm not installing those. Let's connect the connector first, and then I can easily align the battery to the position. Here we go. So this is connected, everything is connected, and I'm just making sure it's properly clicking because I can feel it's little up, maybe because of those extra foam on top of the connector. So I need to put the screws back. So this is the first screw. Here we go, and that's the second one. And all you need to do is unscrew 3 screws, and those screw, after those screws you can replace the battery if you are comfortable. Otherwise recommended to remove the screen and do it. So just after connecting those screws, let's try to turn on to make sure before close. So it shows the Apple logo, which means that battery has some juice. While it's turning on, let's put a screen on the back into the place. So screen is also safe. Let's put this bottom screws. By the way, this is uncut video. So here we go. So screws are done. And if you like that video, thumbs up, share with your friend, and see you in the next video, and thanks.